to Buddy's Cooking Show, Part 2. Buddy's version of churro.
Okay, anyway, Buddy's version.
You need to get these. Then you need to get the granulated sugar.
What is granulated sugar?
Or granulated sugar. Then you take your granulated sugar, sprinkle it all around, and then spread it around. Just done some healthy. I don't care. That's what Buddy's Cooking Show is all about. It makes addicting stuff like TikTok. And you sorbet it off.
Hey, wait a minute.
From the last episode.
My
Now
sorbet
take your churro.
is somehow not melting.
Now take your churro and roll it up. Now you have Buddy's version of churros.
I don't think that's healthy.
I don't care.
That's not healthy.
Okay. More for me.
That's not healthy. Maybe if I can stick. That got unrolled.
I know.
Let me just stick some of this in the granulated sugar. Maybe I can make a combination. Whoa.
Wait, start seeing rainbows. But that part out you just like show rainbows.
My churro is finished. I just saw rainbows. This looks yummy. Yummy time. I'll get 'em. My churro. How do you like that? What is this? I gotta clean it out. Okay, so from last time I had sorbet that Buddy kind of made for me. So now, today I'm gonna make Jack's famous sorbet soup. You know, my last recipe definitely did not end up bad. Isn't that right, Buddy? Right? It didn't end up bad, Buddy. Right?
It did.
Oh yeah, my banana.
Hold on. Stick them in here.
Granulated sugar. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up these hockey sticks and put them in the soup for like extra flavor or whatnot. You see?
You're disgusting.
You ate a tortilla with sugar, okay? Don't start, alright?
It was delicious.
That is not delicious.
It's just a tortilla and sugar.
That is not.
Sugar makes almost anything.
Okay, I'm pretty sure he's sugar high. Anyway, okay, our soup is looking pretty good so far.
Dude, that's pretzels.
I know. Let me just give it a little taste test. Okay. Taste test. Pretty good. Now I gotta add some of this real quick. It's got a little bleach in there, you know. Makes it much better. Kids, don't try this. It will not end up good. Anyway, we're trained professionals. We're trained professionals. Do not try this at home, people, alright?
Don't try this at home either.
Maple syrup. Here. Buddy. No, I'm putting the maple syrup in my soup. Okay, look at how good this soup. Okay, look at our amazing soup. See, we look at how good this looks, buddy, right? Look at how appetizing the soup looks. I'm gonna try some.